Even
Zero
number.
remainder.
0.
For all odd numbers will get
1.
We may get like point also,
One
sir.
remainder.
Like some 1 also and also 0.05 like that.
I'm asking for remainder, Lasya,
1,
not
sir.
the
1.
quotient.
1.
Yeah, we'll get only 1 or 0. That's all, right? We don't get any fractions. We will get fractions in which place? Quotient place. We may get fractions in the quotient place, not in the remainder.
Yes, sir.
So, see, instead of multiplying by 5, we will divide that number by 2. And based on the remainder, we will keep the last digit. We will keep the last digit. So if the remainder is 0, simply keep the last digit 0. If the remainder is 1, simply keep the last digit 5. Got it? Let us apply this one on
So
any
can
number.
you explain it again? I didn't get it.
Yes. I'm explaining it again. So any number, instead of multiplying by 5, we will divide that number by 2. We will divide that number n by 2. Okay. And when you divide any number by 2, the remainder possibilities are 0 or 1.
Or 1.
Yeah, if the remainder is 0, simply keep the last digit 0. And if the remainder is 1, simply keep the last digit as 5. Okay, let us apply this one on any number, like suppose, let me take 96. I'm taking 96. Actually, we have to do multiplication by 5, but we don't multiply it by 5. We will divide this number by 2. Tell me, 96 by 2. How many times? In 9, it is 4 times.
Yes, sir.
48.
44.
Then 16. 16 means
No,
8.
44.
8 na? 44 means it is 88 only. 48 it is. Yes or no, Siddhant?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 48. Now, what is the remainder?
0, sir.
You got
0.
48 as the quotient. What is the remainder? 0. If 0 is the remainder, simply keep the last digit 0. That's all.
Sir,
That is
the answer is 9216.
Lasya, don't you listen what I'm explaining? First, listen to my explanation. Okay. So you can do that. You can do that 96 into 5. You can do that in your approach. You already know that. But I'm giving some other thing. No? First, listen to me and understand that. And if you have any confusion still, you can ask me. And then we will go to the exercise. And then also you can ask your doubts. Okay, 96. Actually, the given question is 96 into 5. But we are not multiplying that number by 5. We are dividing that number by 2. And after dividing that number by 2, we got the quotient 48 and the remainder 0. If the remainder is 0, simply keep the last digit 0. That's all. That is our answer. Understood? Everyone? All of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me give one more example. Suppose if it is some number like 39, I'm taking 39 into 5. Okay, here also it is multiplication by 5, but we don't multiply by 5. We will divide the given number by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much is this? Quotient is in 3, 2, how many times it goes? 1 time.
So 1.
And then now it is 19. In 19, 2 goes
9, sir.
3.
9 times. Now what is the remainder?
1, sir.
If 1 is the remainder, simply keep the last digit 5.
1,
That's
sir.
the answer.
1 remainder.
Yes, if 1 is the remainder, last digit is 5.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
simply take the quotient. Simply take the quotient first, and based on the remainder, keep the last digit. One more digit.
Sir, I have a
Extra.
doubt. Got it. Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir, for every number, we need to take by 2 only.
For every number, when we are doing multiplication by 5.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Siddhant, Any doubt?
Sir, I didn't understand that odd number multiplication by 5.
Yeah. Let me explain. First of all, you should know this thing. Do you know any number divided by a one-digit number, like 2?
Yes, sir.
You
Like
know how to get the quotient of
any even number, like suppose if we take 6 divided by 2, we'll get 3, and the remainder will be 0.
that is what needed. But what if it is a big number like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 2. I want. All of you listen to this carefully. 2. In 1, it will not go. That is why let us take 12. In 12, how many times it goes?
6.
6 times with 0 remainder. Now I'm coming to the next digit, that is 3.
1, 2.
3. In 3, how
So
many
remainder
times?
will be 1.
1 time with
sir.
remainder? With
One
remainder
time.
1. Means now this number becomes 14.
14.
7, sir.
7.
Now 7 times it goes with 0 remainder. Now I'm going to the next digit, 5.
2,
In
sir.
5, 2 times with remainder
1.
1. That remainder makes this number 16.
16. 8, sir.
8.
Now
8.
it is 8 times with remainder 0. Now we are going to the next digit, 7. In 7, how many times it goes?
3, sir.
3 times. So with the, this is the quotient.
Remainder 1.
This is the quotient part with remainder 1. Okay. And based on this remainder, we will keep our last digit.
5.
5. When it is 5, it is not in division by 2. It is when we are doing multiplication by 5. Na?
Yes.
Yes. Now see the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 5. If it is the question, now what we will do? We will divide this number by 2, and we already know the result, that is 6, 1, 7, 2, 8, 3.
And last is 5.
And last digit is 5 because we got the remainder
That is 1.
1. That's why. Got it?
So 1 into 5.
Siddhant, understood?
Sir, that means that it will be 1 into 5, that is 5.
Yes, you can keep like that. Because if the remainder is 0, 0 into 5 is 0. If the remainder is 1, 1 into 5 is 1. You can think like
So
that.
also like dividing so big numbers by 2, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like we can group them, right? 12 one group, 34 one group, 56 one group, 7 one group.
Yeah, you can. Yes, you can.
So it will be 6, 34 divided by 2 is 17.
17,
6
56
is
divided by
28.
28.
And
Correct,
7 is
correct.
3, remainder 1.
Yes, you can. Okay. If it is exactly going, then it is grouping is easy. But sometimes that this number is also suppose 33. This is not 34, that is 33. Then how can you take this one? That will give you a remainder again for the next digit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope everyone understood with no doubt.
Understood.
And you can ask if any doubt, because we are going to the exercise now. Simply remember, you have to multiply this given number by 5. No, we don't multiply by 5. We will divide that number by 2. And we'll take the quotient part first. And based on the remainder, we will think of keeping last digit 0 or 1. Sorry, 0 or 5. If the remainder is 0, then last digit 0. If the remainder is 1, last digit 5. Or even you can also, in case of 5, you can also think like this. If the given number is even number, last digit will be 0. If the given number is odd number, last digit will be 5. Correct? See this, 96 is even number or odd number?
Even, sir.
That's why we
Even,
got
sir.
0 as the last digit when we multiply by 5. And 39 is even or odd?
Odd.
Odd.
Odd, sir.
That's why we got 5.
5.
Because we are multiplying by 5. Okay. Now we are going to the exercise. Yeah, here luckily all the numbers are even numbers only, but the next exercises may have odd numbers as well.
Sir, in decimals also same type.
Same type. So let me explain one by taking one decimal as well. Suppose if it is 2.6 into 5. Okay. Simply consider it as 26 and tell me divided by 2 is how much?
13, sir.
13.
So 13.
Now what is the remainder?
Sir,
So
What is the
Sir,
remainder?
sir, 0.
0 is the remainder, then last digit will be
0.
0.
Zero.
Now what we have to do is from right side to left we have to move. From right towards left we have to move. Decimal is after how many digits?
One digit.
One digit.
One.
So from
One
right
digit.
side, after one digit, we will keep the decimal. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So answer for this question is 13.
Okay.
13.
Suppose if it is 0.2845 into 5. Now divide this number by 2. Simply ignore the decimal and tell the answer. 2845. 2 means it is 1 now. When divided by
Sir,
2.
142.
142. Again 2 with a remainder.
2. 1, sir.
1, sir.
Because the remainder is 1, last digit will be
5.
5. Now we got the result of 2845 with 5. Now we have to keep the decimal. Now coming from the right to left, after how many digits we have decimal?
Sir, 4, sir.
4, sir.
1, 2, 3. After 4 digits means here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer for this question is
1.4225.
no. 1.4225.
1.4225.
1.422.
Yes. After decimal, listen. After decimal, you should not read this number as a number. You have to read digit by digit only. It is not 1.4225. It is 1.4225.
Okay, sir.
There may be any number of digits. You have to read them digit by digit only after decimal. But before decimal, you have to read the whole number, total number at a time. Okay, now we can go to the questions. Understood? With fractions also.
Yes, sir. Understood.
If you are clear with the multiplication by 5, then we are going to see multiplication by 25, 50, 125, 250, 500. All the things will be based on this thing.
Sir, for 25, we'll write by 50 by 2.
Yeah, we will come to that in the next after completion of this. Okay, whose turn? Charantej.
Sir, A1.
A1. Okay. Here.
Sir, A1 is 3.
No, don't say.
Sir, 68 into 5, we have to divide it by 2.
Okay.
Sir, 2 3s are 6.
Okay.
2 4s are 8.
Okay.
And the remainder is 0, so we have to keep 0.
Last is at 0. 340 is the answer. Good. Gagana. Which question?
Sir, D1, sir.
Okay, proceed.
Sir, when we are multiplying with 5, we'll write it as 426 by 2 into 5.
426. You're saying B.
D, sir.
D bit. Okay. Sorry. I stuck in C. Okay. D. Tell again. 426.
Sir, when we are multiplying with 5, first we take it as 426 by 2.
Okay.
Sir, 2 2s are 4.
Okay.
And 2 1s are 2.
Okay.
2 3s are 6. Sir.
Okay.
So the remainder is 0. So the last digit will be 0.
Good. Correct. Harshit.
Sir.
Which question? All of you be ready with your questions. Not only your question, you can solve all the questions.
Sir, C, sir.
C bit. Okay.
36 multiplied by 5. First, we should divide 36 by 2.
Okay.
3 divided by 2 is 1 and the remainder is 1.
Okay.
Then we should divide 16 because before the remainder is 1.
Yes.
And 16 divided by 2 is 8.
Okay.
Then we should add 0 because there is no remainder.
Yeah, 0 is the remainder. That's very good. Correct. Manas. Which question? Manas. Are you speaking something? You're not audible. If you are facing any issue, just mention it in the chat. Lasya, your
Yes, sir.
question?
Yes, sir.
Which question?
B, sir.
B. Okay, proceed.
Um, 1 minute, sir.
Hmm.
42 into 5.
Hmm.
First we need to take 48 by 2.
42 by.
40.
Yes, 42 by 2 is how much?
42 by 2 into 5. 1 minute.
Firstly, tell me this one. 42 by 2 is how much?
Yes, sir. Sir, it will be 21.
Digit by digit also.
21.
Yeah, 21 with remainder.
21 with the remainders.
What we call this 21 for this 42 by 2?
So 1 minute. The remainder will be 0, sir.
Yeah, remainder is 0. And what is this 21? What is the name of this 21? Divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. Among these 4, what is this 21?
Yes,
42 by
sir.
2 equal to 21, right?
Yes, sir.
So this 42 is the
Remainder.
dividend, and this 2 is the divisor. The number which is dividing is divisor. The number which is divided is dividend, and the result we will get is the quotient.
4. 4, sir. No.
Quotient.
21 into 5, it is 4.
Sorry, 21 into 5.
1 minute.
No. After getting 21, what is the remainder here?
0, sir.
Yeah, if the 0 is the remainder, last digit will be 0. That's all. That is our answer. Okay, after getting the answer, you don't need to keep the 2 here because 2 is not there in the given question. We are taking this 2 grantedly
Okay,
to
sir.
make the solution easy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And whose turn? Neha?
Yes, sir.
Which question?
Sir,
H bit. Okay, good.
Sir, first we need to divide 66 by 2,
Okay.
which is 33.
Yes, 33.
So, the point in the question is after 2 places. So, in the
No, not completed. Multiplication is not completed. 66 into 5 you are doing, right? First, ignoring
sir.
decimal. So you got 33. What is the remainder?
to 0. So, it will be 0.
It should be 0. Now the multiplication completed. Now coming to the decimal, keeping decimal point.
Yes, sir.
Where to keep the decimal?
So, we need to keep the decimal after 2 places because the decimal is after, in the question is after 2 places.
After 2 places from left or from right?
So, from the right.
From the right means where we have to keep.
So, between the 3.
Yes, between the 3 and 3. Good. Whose turn? Soumya, I think. No, Siddhant. Siddhant, your turn completed?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Which question?
So I'll take E.
E bit, okay.
Sir, so first we'll remove the point, so it will be 86.
Okay.
And 8 divided by 2 is 4.
Okay,
And 6 divided by 2 is 3.
okay,
Sir, and remainder 0, so it will be 0.
okay.
So then we'll take the decimal point. So because it is 1 days after, so it will be 43.0.
Very good. So 43.0, we can also call it as
For 43.
43 because after decimal 0 means there is no value.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is Soumya.
Sir, I would like to do G.
G bit, okay.
Sir, first we have to remove the points,
Okay.
which becomes 468.
Hmm.
So we have to divide it by 2.
Okay, I'm dividing it by 2.
2 into 2 is 4, so we'll keep 2. And then 2 into 3 is equals to 6, so we'll keep 3. And then 2 into 4 is 8, so we'll keep 4. And the remainder is 0, so we'll keep 0.
Okay.
Sir, my turn.
But not done.
Yes, sir.
You
Sir,
have answered for this question. 468 into 5 is this answer. But it is not 468, no?
yes, sir. We'll keep a point.
Where to keep? After 1 digit from left or after 2 digits from right? Which is correct?
1 digit after left.
Means you have not listened to my statements earlier. Okay, the decimal point should be considered always from right to left, not from left to right. Right to left. After 2 digits from right to left. Got it?
Yes, sir.
8 is 1 digit, 6 is 1 digit. After 2 digits from right to left. Here also from right to left, after 2 digits means it is here.
Oh, yeah.
So 23.40. If you consider it is 1 digit from left, so your answer will be 2.340, na?
Yeah, sure.
Which is a wrong answer. So it is, finally answer is 23.4.
4.
Yes. And Tarandeep,
Yes, sir.
leftover question is yours.
Yes. F.
F bit.
2 2 ja 4.
Okay.
4 had a carry. 5 has a remainder. That's why 4 has a carry. Then 2 7 ja 14.
Yeah, that number becomes 14. 2 7 is 14. Okay.
Yes. Last number is 7. That's why. And because of the no remainder, that's why there is a number 0.
So we'll keep
0.
0 where?
And next one digit there is a decimal.
Okay. 1 digit from where? From left side or from right side?
From right side.
Okay. So then where to keep the decimal in your answer?
Yes, sir.
Tell me where to keep the decimal. Is it between 2 and 7 or is it between 7 and 0?
Between the 7 and 0.
Yes, between 7 and 0. Good. Okay, ready for the next exercise?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm coming from the last. Tarandeep,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you can proceed with your question. All of you be ready with your answer, but don't tell. Tarandeep, you can answer now.
We will divide it by the 2 and between and 64 and 2.
Hmm. Then quotient will be
Then quotient will be 32.
32. What is the remainder?
0. That's why
Zero
the
is the
end
remainder.
number is 0.
Ends with 0. Good, good. Okay, Soumya,
Yes,
this is your question.
Okay. So we'll divide 93 by
Everyone have
2.
to do. Okay, everyone have to do and be ready with your answer. Yeah, Soumya, proceed.
Yeah, we'll divide 93 by 2.
Okay.
So 2 4s 8,
2 4s are 8. Okay.
which will give us 1, and then 2
That number
6,
becomes 13. Hmm.
yeah, 13, and then 2 6 is 12.
Okay.
So and that will give us 1.
Hmm. Then
So we'll add 1 to the last.
if 1 is the remainder, what we have to write in the last place? So simply remember that remainder into this number.
Okay, so we have to write 5.
5. If 0 is the remainder, 0 into 5 is 0. If 1 is the remainder, 1 into 5 is 5. Okay.
Okay,
Next, whose turn? Siddhant. This is your question.
Yes, sir. Sir, so sir, I'm doing like I'm so it's the number is 2486. So
Hmm.
sir, 24 divided by 2 is 12.
Okay, you are dividing that number by 2 only. Okay, 24 divided by 2 is 12. Correct.
Sir, then 8 divided by 2 is 4,
Okay.
and 6 divided by 2 is 3.
Okay. What is the remainder finally?
Sir, 0. So it will be 0.
Where?
So at the last 12430. So
Good.
it will be 1243.
Correct. Good. 200 and 1243.
No, sir. I thought it a point
12,430.
30.
Okay. Neha,
Yes, sir.
here is your question. Slowly, size is increasing, right?
Yes.
Number size.
So we need to divide this number by 2.
Okay.
5 divided by 2 is 4.
5 divided by 2 is 4. Correct. 4. 2 4s are 8, na? 5 divided by 2 is 4.
No,
How?
sir. Sorry.
2, sir.
So 2.
Don't say anyone.
So
Neha.
2.
Yeah, 2 times it is 4 with remainder.
4. Sir, and the carry, we have a carry 1.
With remainder 1. That
Yes.
remainder makes the next number 19.
Yes, sir. 19.
Hmm.
9 divide 9. 2
2.
nines. 2 nines is 18. So we write 8. 9.
Yeah, 2 9s are 18 with remainder.
So 1.
Again,
It's
1 means this number becomes 18.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Then we write 9. 2 nines are 18.
Times with remainder. 0 means 4.
Yes, sir. 2 twos are 4.
2 2s are 4. 0 remainder again means 7.
Yes, sir. 2 threes are 6.
2 3s are 6 with remainder
1.
becomes 12.
Yes, sir. And 2 6 is 12.
Okay, with remainder?
No remainder, sir. 0.
0 is the remainder. If 0 is the remainder, then
We add 0 at the
last digit 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lasya, ready for your question? Lasya. Okay, Manas.
Sir,
Yeah, you can proceed.
sir, first we have to divide it by 2.
Okay, we will divide it by 2.
Then 2 6 are 12.
2 6 are 12 with remainder 0 means becomes 0.
2 2s are 4.
2 2s are 4 with remainder
1.
no.
0.
Huh?
2 2s are 4 with remainder 1.
2 2s are 4 with remainder 1 becomes 17.
2 8s are 16.
2 8s are 16 with remainder
1.
1 becomes 18
2 9s are 18.
with remainder
0. 2
0
3s are
means
6.
2 3s are 6 with remainder
0.
0 means 9
2 4s are 8.
with remainder
1.
becomes 13.
2 6s are 12.
2 6 are 12 with remainder
1. And the last 5.
the last digit will become 5.
5.
Good. Oh, next questions are not there, but I will give.
Sir?
Harshit, ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Taran. Any doubt? Tarandeep.
Yes, sir. Sir, I need one more question like big one.
Okay, I'll provide you one question. Before that, let the other people also
Excuse
complete.
me, sir.
Lasya.
Sir, do you call me, sir?
Yes, I called you.
Sir, like I just went to restroom, so that's why.
Okay, then.
Sir, you can give me question now, sir. It's fine. Yes.
Okay. I'm giving question for you.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
0.224 into 5.
1 minute. Sir.
Yeah, you don't need to solve it. You can explain it when you're solving. We together will do, no
Okay,
problem.
sir. Yes, sir. I got off answer, sir. It is 0.896.
How you got that? In a calculator?
Sir, like no, sir, I did like normal calculation.
Normal calculation means?
Sir, it book like how in general maths we will do.
Explain that that calculation. Explain.
Yes, sir. So down of 4 we write 5 into.
Sorry? 5.
Down of 4 5.
Okay.
Into 5 4s are 20.
Okay.
5 4s are 20 and 5 4s are 20 and there will be 2 in the 2 place.
See.
Like we need to add 2.
Yeah. See, you have already answered it in a fraction of second, right? You have not taken even this much time also. But when I asked you to explain your approach when in what way you did, and you just said in a general approach, means actually you don't need my classes because you can do it on your own. Okay, you're not following my approaches. Lasya, don't go to mute.
Yes.
Okay, you are multiplying by 5 means you can just divide it by 2. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here decimal is given, just ignore the decimal. 2 to 4 by 2.
By 2 into 5.
You can go digit by digit.
Yes, sir.
2 by 2 is how much?
2 by 2, it will be 1. Like we
1.
can cancel 2
Again,
to
2 by 2.
1.
1. Again, 4 by 2.
2.
2. Done. So 1, 2, 2. With what remainder? What is the remainder here? After
Like we
getting
need
this
to
last
multiply
digit, what is the remainder?
2 only.
Charan Tej, don't. Is it 2?
Sir, like if we multiply with if we
We are
multiply
not
with
multiplying. We are not multiplying, Lasya. Just what I asked. If we have divided 2 to 4 by 2, we got 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. After getting this 1, 1, 2, what is the quotient? Sorry, sir. What is the
Sir,
remainder?
after getting the
Remainder.
answer, I'm not getting how to solve it, sir. Like I'm multiplying it.
Okay, okay. I'm asking about this one. See here, 2 to 4. We are dividing
sir.
it, right?
Yes, sir.
So 2 ones are 2. Now it
Yes, sir,
is
not that way.
24.
After we getting 1,
Again,
1,
2
2,
ones are
that
2.
one I'm not getting, sir.
2, 0, 4, right? Again, after that, 2, 4,
Yes.
sorry, 2 twos are 4. I'm asking for this one. What is the leftover part here?
Okay.
What is the remainder?
0, sir.
You got this one as the quotient. And what is the remainder? That is what my question. What is the remainder?
0.
0. If 0 is the remainder, simply we can keep the last digit 0.
Yes.
This should be our answer if the question is 2 to 4 into 5. But here the question is not 2 to 4 into 5. It is 0.2 to 4 into 5. So the decimal point is after 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. Decimal point is after 3 digits. So we have to keep the same decimal after 3 digits.
After
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So means the answer is 1.220.
1. Okay.
Okay, don't keep the calculator beside you when you are attending the classes. Try to do it on your own. Don't take the help from any other. You can take the help
Yes,
from
sir.
the teacher, but don't take the help from any other.
Yes, sir. So let's solve another one, sir.
But time is not there today. We will continue in the next class. Okay. We'll continue the same thing in the next class. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We will do more number of questions, more and more number of questions in the next class.
Excuse me, sir.
Taran.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Ask your doubt.
Sir, but my answer is 1.120.
Okay. Answer or question?
Answer.
It is 1.120. Sorry.
Yes.
Yes. Your answer is correct. My answer is wrong here. Very good. Actually, here we got 112, but I wrote 122 here. Okay. 1.120 is the correct answer. Thank you, Tarandeep.
Welcome, sir.
Yes. Okay. We'll meet in the next class.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you.